Email marketing is one of the most powerful forms of marketing in the world, and in this video, I'm going to review GetResponse, which is a really popular email marketing tool that could potentially be a game changer for your business. I'll answer all your burning questions about the pricing plans, automation features, ease of use and user interface, integration with other platforms, and so much more. Keep in mind that using the wrong email marketing tool can waste a lot of time and a lot of money in your business, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you decide if GetResponse is a good option for you. For your convenience, I've included the link to GetResponse in the description below of this video so you can check it out. Now, first of all, let's talk about pricing because I'm sure that's what you're really interested in. So if we look at their pricing right here, we can see that they've got a few different plans right here, starting from the cheapest one all the way up to the really expensive ones. You can also choose between different monthly plans. So you can do a regular monthly plan, you can do a 1 year plan, so 12 months at a time, or you can even do 24 months at a time. And so as you can see, the monthly plan is by far the most expensive. If you pay annually or for every 2 years at once, you can save up to 18 and 30%. So that can save you quite a bit of money. If we just look at the regular monthly plan right here, for the basic email marketing plan, you get unlimited newsletters, autoresponders, websites and landing pages, 24/7 live chat support for just $19 a month. And then if you go to the marketing automation, which is the more popular one, then that's $60 a month and you get all this other stuff. And so you can just read these yourself. Of course, GetResponse Max is generally for enterprise level people that have larger businesses. If they're supporting a lot of people, if they have team members and if they have staff, then that would be more useful. But if you're just getting started, probably the cheapest one or maybe the marketing automation one might be the best one for you. But it's worth mentioning that they actually have 30 days free of charge, so you can actually try it out completely for free without even having to enter your credit card information for 30 days. So you can use the link in the description below and try it out for free. As far as the value for money goes with GetResponse, the pricing is actually quite competitive, especially when you consider the range of features that are included even in the basic plan. The higher tiers are also good value if you're a larger business, if you need more advanced tools and capabilities. Now let's talk about the ease of use of the platform. The user interface is actually really clean and modern, so that makes it really easy to navigate. The dashboard provides quick access to key features and analytics, making it user-friendly for both beginners and experienced marketers. The onboarding process is smooth and comprehensive with a guided setup that helps new users get started quickly. There are numerous resources available, including tutorials, webinars, and a detailed knowledge base as well. Now, speaking of that, they also have really good customer support. So as you can see, they have 24/7 live chat from their customer success team. They also have email support, and if you're on one of the higher tier plans, one of the more expensive plans, then you can also get phone support as well. The support team is responsive and helpful, and they ensure that all the users can easily resolve issues, and so they're always there to help you if you need help. Now, what about their email design and templates? Well, for template availability, GetResponse offers lots of different types of templates that you can use. Over 500 options are available. These templates cover various industries and purposes, and they give users lots of choices depending on what kind of marketing you're doing. For customization, the editor allows for significant customization, enabling users to modify templates to match their brand identity. Custom HTML emails can also be created for people that have coding skills. Now, they have a really good drag and drop editor that's intuitive and powerful that makes it really easy to create professional looking emails without having to do any coding if you're not like tech savvy. Now, what about their automation and workflows? Well, GetResponse excels in automation features. They offer a robust automation builder that allows users to create complex workflows. Features include automated welcome emails, follow-up sequences, and drip campaigns. Now, as far as how easy it is to set up these automations, the visual workflow editor is quite user-friendly, and that makes it simple to map out customer journeys and set up triggers, actions, and conditions. For advanced automation, GetResponse provide certain other features like behavioral triggers, lead scoring, and tagging. targeting, which allow really personalized and targeted campaigns. Now let's talk about segmentation and personalization. So GetResponse offers really good list segmentation. So you can actually create detailed segments based on subscriber behavior, demographics, and other criteria, which makes it really easy to target certain types of people and get more people to actually convert when you send them emails. They also have great personalization features, so users can easily personalize emails with subscriber data like names and custom fields. There's also dynamic content blocks, which can be used to show different content to different segments. But what about integrations with other platforms? Well, GetResponse integrates with a lot of different third-party tools, including CRM systems, e-commerce platforms, and social media. So on their website, you can see all these different categories and names of different products that they can easily integrate with. There's like so many of them right here. If you're doing drop shipping, for example, then this would be useful because you can easily integrate it with Shopify as well for e-commerce. Now, GetResponse also offers a really good API access, so developers can easily create custom integrations, and that way they can extend the platform's functionality. Now, one of the most important things for an email marketing platform is their deliverability. So, how likely is it for someone to actually receive an email and not have it go to spam when you send them an email using the platform? GetResponse is really known for its high deliverability rates because it ensures that emails actually reach the subscribers' inboxes instead of landing in spam. The platform's commitment to maintaining a good sender reputation actually contributes to the success. They do spam testing, so they have spam testing tools that analyze emails for potential issues that might cause them to land in a spam folder, and so that actually helps you with deliverability if you're using GetResponse. They also have reputation management tools. They follow best practices for managing their reputation, which is really crucial for maintaining this high email deliverability. Now, what about their analytics and reporting? Well, GetResponse offers comprehensive reporting tools, providing insights into key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. These reports help measure the effectiveness of campaigns. Users can access real-time analytics, allowing for timely adjustments to campaigns based on performance data. They also have advanced analytic features like conversion tracking and ROI analysis. So if you're running a business, it can help you track your return on investment using email marketing. What about contact management? Well, GetResponse makes it really easy to manage your subscribers with tools for adding, importing, and organizing your contacts. Tags and custom fields can also be used to segment and personalize communications. GetResponse also has really good A/B testing capabilities, so you can actually test subject lines, content, as well as send times. So you can check which time is better for you to send emails for it to be more likely to be opened. You can test different subject lines in emails, and you can see which ones are, more clickbaity, which ones get people to open them more, stuff like that. The A/B tests are actually quite easy and straightforward to set up with intuitive tools that guide you through the entire process. Results are presented in a really easy to understand format, which makes it easy for you to make data-driven decisions. They also have advanced A/B testing features, including multivariable testing, providing users with detailed insights into what works best for their audience. Now, what about mobile optimization? Well, GetResponse email templates are mobile responsive, ensuring that emails look great on any device. This is really important because a lot of emails nowadays are open on people's phones, so you want to make sure that it's compatible with the most popular mobile devices, which it is. GetResponse also offers a mobile app that allows users to manage their email campaigns on the go. The app provides access to key features including campaign creation, analytics, and subscriber management. So overall, GetResponse is a versatile and powerful email marketing tool that offers a wide range of features that are suitable for businesses of all sizes. Its user-friendly interface, advanced automation capabilities, and and comprehensive customer support make it an excellent choice for people looking to enhance their email marketing efforts. While it may not be the cheapest option, the extensive feature set and robust functionality provide good value for the investment, which makes it a really reliable option for marketers. Drop your questions or concerns in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I've included the link to GetResponse in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.